The special thing about the Ascari racetrack near Malaga is that the curves are based on the most famous curves in the history of Formula One racing, and that serves to bring the dynamic of the individual GTIs to the street.
Auch wirklich auf die Straße zu bringen.
The special thing about the GTIs is their dynamic driving potential. With the Golf GTI especially, we have with the front axle differential lock the possibility to move out of the curves very dynamically. With the Polo GTI, it is the entire package from the sound, via the undercarriage, through to the steering that makes it fit very nicely to a racetrack setting. And the Up GTI is for me the legitimate successor to the 1 Series GTI. With its 115 horsepower, that little car is a lot of fun to drive on the racetrack. That is a genuine race car. The TCR is a light vehicle weighing 1,200 kilos with 350 horsepower. The vehicle is really made for the racetrack. It gives you the live racing feeling. The myth about this vehicle is actually the connection between the vehicle's genuine athleticism, passion, but also its suitability for everyday driving. The GTI can be used as a normal everyday car. But if you want to have fun on the weekends when the sun is shining, you have a really sporty vehicle too that's a lot of fun to move around in.